Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
So, Crishil Grace, please read the prayer.
The Father, the Son, and the Spirit.
Our Father who art in heaven,
holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.
so good afternoon again.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So before we proceed to our lesson, so let's have an activity first. So what you're going to do is to identify the number that should be in place of the question mark to make the mathematical statement correct. So I will give the answer for number 1. So can we read number 1?
Question mark plus 5 equals 22.
So what should be the number that should be in place in the question mark?
17.
So 17. So 17 plus 5 is equal to
22.
So, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the question. Are you ready, class?
Yes.
So, you may start answering. Are you already done?
Yes, ma'am.
So, last meeting, we talked about variable in algebraic expression. So, what is algebraic expression? Anyone? Yes, Crishil Grace?
An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols.
Yes, correct. So, an algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols. So, who can define numerical expression? Yes, Crishil Jane?
An expression that contains numbers and one or more operation symbols.
So, the numerical expression is an expression that contains numbers, one or more operations, symbol. So, any letter or symbol that represents a number.
Ma'am.
Yes, Julian?
A variable. Ma'am.
A variable, correct. It has a fixed value, does not change. What is it? What is it? It has a fixed value that does not change.
A constant.
Very good, a constant. So, let's give ourselves 3 claps. So, please look at the board. Kindly read.
She was the first president of the Philippines after the EDSA Revolution.
So, what is she? Yes, Christopher?
Corazon Aquino.
Corazon Aquino, correct. So, the word she is the antecedent of Corazon Aquino. So, if we replace she with Corazon Aquino, or shall we say, let she, Corazon Aquino, the sentence would read, everyone,
Corazon Aquino was the first president of the Philippines after the EDSA Revolution.
so, this pronoun, she, in the sentence, is similar to a variable in an algebraic expression. So what is a variable? Yes, Crystal Grace?
A variable is a missing value of an expression or equation.
So, what symbol can be used to represent variable? Yes, Juimer?
Any letter of the alphabet represents variable.
Very good. So, who can give an example of a variable?
Letter A1.
Very good. So, let's take a look at example number 1. Kindly read, everyone.
In mathematical sentence or equation, 5x plus 4 equals 19. What is the variable?
So, what is the variable there?
X.
Very good. So, variable x behaves like she in our example sentence. So, can you look at example number 2? So, Abdullah both, everyone can you read?
Abdullah bought 19 cupcakes. After her friends ate some, he had 12 cupcakes left.
So, we will let x represent the number of cupcakes eaten. So, the mathematical sentence or equation will be
19 minus x equals 12.
very good. So, before we proceed to our lesson or our discussion this afternoon, let's first have our rules. So, what are we going to do if someone is talking here in front? Yes, Juemer?
Keep quiet and listen.
Very good. How about when you want to speak?
Pressure.
Yes, Christian Jane?
We should raise our hand and wait to be called.
So I hope that you will follow our rules, class. So this afternoon, I will group the class into 2. So, Christian Grace, can we start the counting?
1,
2.
1,
2.
1.
So this will be the group 1 and Jeremy will be the group 2. Please proceed to your group mates.
President.
So the direction is you will match the variable description and equation for each problem. So this is the problem. So the group 1 will answer the variable in every question. And the group 2 will be the equation. So each group I will give a paper and a pen. So what are you going to do is to match the variable description and equation for each problem. So are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You may start answering. Please write the answer in a paper provided.
Each pack has 4. We're done now. Sana all.
Group 1, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Group 2, are you done?
Ma'am.
Okay, we will answer this one. So, Abdullah is saving for a new Android phone. It costs 700 pesos. He has already saved 350 pesos. So, how much more does he need to save? So, group 1, what is the variable? Can you read? Yes, Crishil Grace?
1, let X represent the amount of money that needs to be saved.
So, the group 1 will let X to represent how much money does he need to save. So, group 2, what is the equation there? Yes, Juemer?
X plus 350
X plus 350.
equals 700.
Okay, X plus 350 equals 700. Very good. So, number 2. Unmirror both packs of stickers to give to her friends. So, each pack costs 4 pesos. So, she spent a total of 2 pesos on stickers. How many packs did she buy? So, group 1, who will read?
Let X represent the number of packs of stickers bought.
So, the group 1 will let X to what? To represent the
Number of packs of stickers.
number of packs that she needs to
Both.
both. So, group 2, what is the equation?
4x is equal to 12.
4x is equal to
12.
very good. So, number 3. Juemer, can you read number 3? Josephine?
Josephine had some money in her savings account. She spent 35 pesos of it on a new notebook. She has 50 pesos left. How much?
She has what?
70 pesos left. How much money did she have in his savings before he bought a notebook?
So, group 1, what is the variable?
Amount of money in the saving account.
So, the group 1 will let X represents the amount of
Amount
money
of money in the saving account.
in the saving account. Very good. So, group 2, what is the question? Yes, Christopher?
X minus 35 equals 70.
X minus 35 is equal to 70. Very good. So, number 4. Julian, can you read number 4?
James played in 2 basketball games. He scored 4 fewer points in the second game than he scored in the first. He scored 12 points in the second game. How many points did he score in the first game?
So, group 1, what is the variable in the number 4? Yes, Julian?
Let X represent the number of points
From the first game.
The first game. So, the group 1 will let X represent the
Number of points.
number of points in the first
first
game.
game.
So, group
X minus 4 equals 12.
So, the equation is x minus 4 is equal to
12.
12. Very good. Number 5. Christopher, can you read number 5? Sydney.
City brought stickers to give to 12 of her friends. Each friend received 4 stickers. How many stickers did she bring to school?
So how many stickers did she bring to school? Group 1, what is the variable? Let x represent the number of stickers brought to school. So the group 1 will let x represents the stickers brought into school. So group 2, what is the equation? Yes, Jumer.
X is equal to 12 over 4.
So x is equal to 12 over 4. So my question is, how we define a variable?
Sure.
Yes, Julian?
A variable is an unknown or a missing value of an expression or equation.
So variable is an unknown or missing value of expression or equation. So what is a variable? Yes, Christian Jane.
A variable is an unknown or missing value of an expression or equation.
Wrong. And a variable represents what? Represents any letter of
No.
the
Alphabet.
alphabet. Very good. So this afternoon, what you're going to do is to answer the following problem. So, on your activity notebook, on your activity notebook, you will write the answer. So what you are going to do is to identify or read or give the correct equation that would be used to represent the problem after it was solved. So you'll be read each word problem, write the variable and the correct equation that we use to represent the problem. So can you read number 1? Yes, Julian.
Ahmad baked 32 cookies. After his siblings ate some, he had 25 cookies left. How many cookies were eaten?
So Ahmad baked 32 cookies. After his siblings ate some, he had 12 cookies left. How many cookies were eaten? 8. 8. So the number 1 is
8.
already answered. You may start answering in number 2 till 5. I think 5 minutes is or 10 minutes is enough for you to answer this problem. You may start answering. Individual.
Sige lang.
And after that, we will try to answer each one of them. Are you done?
Not yet.
Done.
Are you all done?
Yes, sure.
So let's start answering. Okay. So number 1. What is the answer again in number 1?
8. 8.
So, I read again. Ahmad baked 32 cookies. After his siblings ate some, he had 24 cookies left. How many cookies were eaten?
8, ma'am.
8. So, in number 2, Maria Fe wanted to buy a new bike. She works as a babysitter and earns 150 pesos per day. If the bike costs 1,200 pesos, how many more days will she need to babysit?
8 days.
Yes, Mr. J, what is the answer?
8 days.
8 days. Very good. So number 3. Martha's math test had 18 problems on it. She answered some wrong. If she got 16 questions correct, how many did she get wrong?
2.
Yes, Crishil Grace, what's your answer?
2, ma'am.
2. Correct. So number 4. Bantay was playing fetch outside. He brought fetch outside. He brought back 14 sticks and some rocks. If he brought back 26 items total, how many rocks did he fetch?
12.
Yes, Julian?
12 rocks, ma'am.
Very good. So number 5. Coco earns an hourly wage to deliver Alberto's pizza. So he earned a total of 150 pesos for working 6 hours yesterday. How much money Kyle earned per hour?
28. 25. 28.
So 150 times 6. 1,000.
200.
1,200. So number 6.
Wala na.
150 times 6.
How much Michael earn per hour? So 28.
Oh, so
28 pesos per hour.
so 150. What?
150 divided 6.
So 150 divided 6 equal to
Alam mo.
20.
Times 1. Okay, per hour man.
He earned a total of 150 pesos for working 6 hours yesterday. How much money Kyle earn per hour? 150 divided 6. 28.
28.
Wait,
Very times.
28.
Are you sure?
28 pesos pala.
Are you sure it's 28?
Wait ka ne.
Ay, ito na.
28 mong yun.
Ha?
28.
28 lagi.
28?
Yes, ma'am. 28. Okay.
Omar has 56
Marbles.
When he combines his marbles with Leo's, they have a total of 98 marbles. So how many marbles does Leo have?
42
Marbles.
42
42 marbles, ma'am.
marbles.
Let's give ourselves a round of applause.
Around
So,
Sabihin kayo.
I will group the class into two groups again. So with the same group na lang.
no.
So,
Dadwara.
the direction is write the expression and the
Equation.
equation.
City. 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 Oh.
I think 10 minutes will be enough for you to finish.
5 minutes.
5 minutes na lang to finish this
Activity.
problem. You may start answering.
Ikaw, Minister. Ay, ma'am. Sorry. Number 1.
Oh,
Number 1. Sige na yung
City board.
And if you are finished answering the problem, you may also start. You may also start to write your assignment in your assignment
Yes, assignment.
notebook.
Yes, assignment.
where? Attendance.
Mabak na. Kasa na. Iyo.
Napapahal. Imong ban, imong attendance. Matay,
Attendance.
Para na may snack. Bumagibing pa lang sa snack.
Are you done, class?
Isa-isa na isa na lang. Ang wala sa attendance, wala yung snack.
Are you all done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sabihin ko ka.
You may also start na
To write.
write your assignment in your assignment notebook. Ay, can you pass the activity sheets?
Chat.
Ay, lagi pa.
Kamu no lahi.
Just put my name.
Tama na yun. Ang ina ko, no? Attendance. Ay, magbutang ka. Magbutang magkaog pero ang taglay na ito. What is time? It's gold. What is time?
Kamili ba?
Are you done writing your assignment?
Ma'am. How can you do it?
Are you done writing your assignment?
Yes,
Sir.
yes, ma'am.
Alorante, are you done writing? Please stand up na.
Natin ko kung paano mo.
What? What's your question?
Ma'am, distribute the snacks.
Concentrate na.
Please stand up na.
Stand up na.
Hindi ba ko ikaw?
So goodbye, class.